Hello everyone, here's another video of a tutorial on how to add, I'll send a GIF or an emoticon with sound. And I would like to thank Kurt and Gams, my cousin, for the tutorial. So let's check this one out. So I'm going to show you my messenger. This is a group that I have with my cousins. This one for the Dulauta Millennials, created by An. So if you would like to send a GIF or an emoticon with sound, all you have to do is, of course, again, open the messenger and then click on this icon. This icon here. Send a message. Click on this icon with the smiley and then click on GIF. This one first, the GIF and the speaker icon. You have here choices. So one, and then you send it. Before you send, and you would like to know how it sounds, then you can click it. You can listen to it.
Another one.
Yes, just like that. Or you can also listen to another emoticon, just like this. Of course, it's the sound of a basketball. Or you can also listen to this one, the Christmas tree.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas.
And then it will appear above. And if you want to send this, then you can just click on send. There. And whoever gets the message can click on the icon.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas.
And listen to it. Now let's check another. Let's try this one. The cricket, or this one. You can also send that. And your chatmates can listen to it. So that's how you send an emoticon with sound. That's an additional feature on Messenger. You can use that, of course, through Facebook. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.
Thank you for watching. Bye.